Hey guys, so today I will be reviewing finally the split ender. Some of you have been requesting me to do this. Some of you have been asking if this thing really does work or not. So last time I told you guys that I'm going to go ahead and buy it just so that I can give you my full thoughts about it. When you use this, it says here that it snips the end, not really the length of your hair. It says here that it safely trims split ends and damaged hair ends in minutes. If you're not familiar with a split ender, basically this is what it looks like right here. So what you do is you clamp the hair here, just like that, and then you run this through the hair, and after that it snips your split ends, and you are going to see your split ends or the damaged ends right here because it collects it right here. And then there's a switch here. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and try this on my sister's hair because she has split ends that she wants to get rid of, but however she doesn't really want her ends to be shortened, so that's why we're going to be using this. And also before you use this, of course, don't forget to charge it, because if you don't, then it won't work. Okay, so my sister's here now, my lord. Come in. Say hello to the people of the world.
Here. I'm back, you guys.
Zoom in. Okay, you guys, so first of all, it's good that you actually detangle the hair because you don't want your tangled hair to go through the split ender. You guys, so you have to work by sections here. Okay, so what you do is you just clamp the hair just like this, and then you run it through the hair just like that. Okay, so...
Wow!
Not yet, just a trial. Okay, so we have to press this. Ay, baka hindi siya. Ganon. Oh, okay. So right there.
Oh my god,
it's on.
It sounds like a lawn mower.
Yeah. Planted the hair. It starts snipping just like that. And then it did get some, so you guys can see. I'm not so sure if you all can see, but it's there.
Yeah.
It looks a lot better, but it's. I think we need to run one more.
Okay.
Alright, there we go. It's a lot better. Just switch to this area right here. I think grabbing in more hair is more effective. And I feel like it has some straightening effects on your hair too. It kind of straightens your hair as well. It actually looks good. I mean, like your ends looks good. You can still see that there's some split ends. It doesn't get rid of every single thing. I feel like that's the only thing when you use this. It doesn't trim off the length, so some of the split ends are still there, but it definitely does get rid of some of it. Basically, that's it. I'm gonna show you all exactly how much we got. Okay, so in here, as you all can see, those are the hairs, or the split ends. We actually got a lot. It did get some of the split ends, but not everything.
Yeah.
Okay, not everything.
Yeah. It does look a little healthier.
Yeah.
More healthier compared before.
Yeah. It's a lot straighter too. Yeah, it has some straightening effects on the hair. But I feel like if you want a proper cut, like a really fresh cut, I think having it like really cut with the scissors would be good. But if you don't want your length to be cut off, then that's a perfect thing to use right there. I feel like it does a better job in getting rid of the split ends that are like higher on your hair rather than the split ends on like the ends of your hair.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
So how would you rate that, Manolo?
I think I would give it a 7.
Yeah, okay. Can you see yourself still using that?
Oh yeah, of course.
Uh-huh.
I can. Like for example, if you're in a hurry and you just saw that that there's a split and it shouldn't be there, well, this can be convenient
Yeah,
for
true.
you to use,
Mm-hmm.
right? And
Yes.
because if you're like using scissors, diba?
Oh.
And it would take time then to like
I know,
do
slip
the-
off everything.
Yes.
Especially for your hair type. Because your hair type is layered. So if you don't know how to cut your hair properly, I think that would be an issue. But if you use
Yeah.
this, that would be so much better. Because you're not going to be like destroying your layers if you cut it off all by yourself.
Of course, we can't, expect too much for
Yeah, I know.
this little machine
Mm-hmm.
to to work perfectly, right? But at least it can give, or it can remove some of the
Split ends.
split ends.
Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, not bad. But I feel like for me, I would still use the scissors and all
Okay.
that because I have one length hair. It's easy to use scissors for me rather than that, actually. So
Yeah, because you can cut the
Ends.
ends really
Better,
well,
yeah.
better
mm,
using the scissors.
right. But for you, since your hair is layered,
Yeah.
I think that would be very convenient for you to use.
Yep.
I don't think we need to finish the whole other side. You can really tell that this side has been trimmed. Also, those little flyaways, so now it's more of like polished and tame. That's also the advantage.
Yeah.
So that is it, you guys. If you all want to check out the split ender, I'm going to link that in the description box down below, just in case if you all want to know more details about it and all that. And that's it. Thank you very much for more. And I will see you, or we will see you on our next video. Bye!